What's up, guys? We're going to do some repair work on this old MBX5T body. It's been bashed pretty good, so previous owner did some repair work on it with some zip ties, but I'm going to do some shoe glue with some plastic container and this drywall tape, and do some repair work. Already did some cutting on some recycled plastic from a fruit container from Walmart, so got it cut, and we'll use some screws here. We'll screw this down with these. These need to be cut. I'll trim these off with the cut-off saw. You get the picture. We're going to repair the old body, just like that. We'll screw this down. The heads would be on the outside here, but on the inside be shoe glued. So stay tuned. Stay tuned on my videos, and we'll watch the outcome of this. So yeah, this is the first time I've done this. So we'll repair this body, and stay tuned for the outcome. Thanks for watching. Later.